Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother DCP-T310 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First of all, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC. Right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds, center it. Here scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Brother DCP-T310 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.brother.com official website of the Brother printer. Here we find our printer name. Download DCP-T310. Go to the first link, whatever first link is. Open the first link. And here we find the official website of the Brother printer. Here we find one option, select OS family operating system, select Windows, and in OS version select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. After that, click on the OK. It's redirect you to the another web page. There we find two IMP options, full software package. If you want to go to the full drivers and software package, click on that. Or second option is drivers. Here we find drivers and go to the printer driver and scanner drivers for USB. You can select anyone that you want. I select printer driver and scanner drivers for USB. I click on that. It's also redirect to another web page. Click on agree download, agree to download. Wait for a few seconds and download is started at the top. At the top, our download is started. Wait for a few seconds to complete it. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Okay, close it. And here we find our printer setup file. And this printer setup file is actually zip file, and we are going to unzip it. There are two ways to unzip it. First way is go to the right, go to your printer driver, right click on it, click on extract files and extract to the desktop or anywhere that you want. And second way is very simple. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds and click on the yes. Okay, and its unzip process start. It's take few seconds. Click on OK. Unzip is done. Here we find our newly extracted folder or the unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find our setup file. Okay, next step is install this setup file. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds and here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, we go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select the last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4, select any USB port that you find. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Click on Hybridix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder. Go to your newly unzip folder or extracted folder. Double click on it. Here we find two files. Select any file. All file contains same driver. Select any file and click on open. Click on OK. Here we find our printer name Brother DCP-T310 printer. Select the printer. Click on the next. Here we find the printer name Brother DCP-T310. Give any printer name that you like. I give the same printer name Brother DCP-T310 printer and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to install this printer on our PC or laptop. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find Brother DCP-T310 printer, that means our printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.